I'm a senior solutions architect working at Amazon Web Services. Yes, working at world's leading and largest cloud provider is fun, exciting, and intense. As part of my job, I wrote several official AWS blogs, presented at several major conferences, traveled to multiple cities and multiple countries. But in addition to that, I also have my own YouTube channel, I create Udemy courses, and I'm a technical advisor. So one question I get a lot is, how do I manage my time? In this video, I'm going to go over some of the things that really help me manage my time so that it can help you manage yours. Let's get started. To manage time, you need to have time. I do not watch television at all. Last thing I watched on TV was the World Cup soccer final between Argentina and France. But I understand there is social pressure of watching TV. You go to a happy hour, you go to a social gathering, birthday party, people like to discuss TV shows. If I am in those situations, I simply find out what shows they're discussing about. I go to the bathroom, I look up talking points, how the finale ended, how the show is going. I come out of the bathroom and I discuss based on what I read. Sorry, if you have discussed with me in a happy hour about a show, my secret is out. Even when I spend time with my kid, I do not watch TV. I play with her and then I go outside, play in the playground, or inside play with Legos. I try to avoid TV as much as possible because it's not that the shows are problematic. The problem with TV is you think you are going to watch a TV show for 30 minutes, but that 30 minutes become 1 hour become 2 hours, 2 hours become 3 hours, etc. Second, I keep my meal plan very simple. Remember, Steve Jobs used to wear the same outfit every day. I don't want to spend time on making elaborate meals, thinking about what ingredient I need, go to grocery store and then cook for hours. I simply eat salmon, vegetables and brown rice 12 times a week. Similarly, I used to play long video games. I was a World of Warcraft nerd. I was raiding all the dungeons and all the raids for several hours a week. I don't play those long video games anymore. I had to make that sacrifice. Second tip, habit beats motivation. If you wait to be motivated to do something, you will only do that thing few times. You have to start the activity and then you will feel motivated. For example, you want to make YouTube videos, or you want to study for Kubernetes, or you want to go to gym. If you feel like, oh, I am not feeling motivated, you will never do those tasks because those tasks are hard. For example, I go to gym almost every day, even the days I do not feel like going. Once I go to the gym and I start moving, start working out, then it makes me motivated and energized. If you are thinking about learning something new such as Kubernetes, cloud, etc., start by studying 15 minutes every day. 15 minutes, that's it. After doing this for a couple weeks, increase that 15 minutes to 30 minutes to 1 hour. I guarantee you, if you do this for 2 months, that will become your habit. Even when you are not feeling motivated some days, you will do it. Similarly, some days you will be naturally motivated. Maybe you had a great day at work. Someone complimented you on a piece of coding or a piece of work you did that makes you happy, you slept great. So do not waste those days. When you are feeling motivated, you must utilize that. Utilize the flow to carry through. Think yourself like a race car driver. A good race car driver doesn't go, oh, I had great 3 laps, I'm feeling great, now I'm gonna chill. Don't do that. Do not open up a bottle of beer or sit in front of the TV if you are feeling energized and motivated. Use that energy to go study, work on your side hustle, etc. Next, I created a small list for myself. At this point of my life, I realized I cannot achieve everything. Yes, I like to be a great guitar player. Yes, I like to speak Italian. But I gave up on those because those are not possible unless I sacrifice on my main goals. My goals are very simple. I want to test myself at job. I want to go as far as I can in my career. And working out is also part of testing myself, so I like that. Taking care of my family and teaching other folks. Those are my list. I keep it very simple. I only engage in activities that are related to my goal. And I set longer time for my goals that needed. For example, if I want to create a course and I think the course will realistically take 6 months, I will assign myself 9 months to a year. It is very important to succeed in your initial tasks because that will motivate yourself and release dopamine to do more tasks down the line. And talking about goals, also reward yourself for achieved goals. If you reward yourself, your brain releases dopamine, you get this pleasure of completing a task, and that enables you to achieve and do more tasks in the future. For example, if I studied every day this week, I'll go to my favorite coffee shop and buy myself that fancy cappuccino. If I worked out 25 days out of 30 days this month, I will go buy my favorite wine. If I finish a course, I'll go to my favorite restaurant and enjoy a nice dinner with my wife. Have a plan for every day. I have plan for every day. 70% of those plans are fixed, so I'll plan it the day before. For example, I know what I want to achieve tomorrow 70% of the day, but 30% I keep it flexible because priorities change at work, last minute emergencies happen at work, you may have to look into some issues or something. And out of that 70%, keep 3 easy tasks per day that you can achieve and 1 hard task. For example, I'm working on some blog. Tomorrow I want to write 2 paragraphs in that blog. That's pretty easy. Also, I need to reply an email from a customer. I already know what the answer will be. I just need to research a little bit more, fine-tune it, and send it. Pretty easy. Someone wants to talk with me about their career plan. So I want to reach out and chat with him. Pretty easy. I also have 1 hard task planned. As you finish your task, keep like a checklist. Either I use pen and paper or sometimes I use iPhone list. As you are finishing those tasks, especially those easy tasks, check them out or click them as done. As you do that, your brain produces dopamine. It gives you a pleasure of finishing a task, and that motivates you to do more tasks. And last thing, I do not look at social media obsessively. I go to YouTube to study some things, but I do not doom scroll Instagram and Facebook for vanity stuff. For example, I would look at someone's account if they are giving good tips related to a subject that I want to know about. I like going to gym, so I look up some kind of new workouts or workout posture, but I just don't keep on scrolling TikTok videos or useless Instagram reels. Alright folks, that's my time management tips. Hopefully these tips help you in your career and side hustle. That's it for this one. I'll see you guys and girls in the next video. Bye.